Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Forex Trading for Beginners. Namaste friends and welcome to the channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about Forex Trading for Beginners. Well, this is not some video, this is real-time reporting, you could say. So this is Monday. The market is about to close in EST, so the market will close at 5 p.m. in US, okay, and the time right now is 4:45. So yeah, I'm not expecting any more trades today, but I have made money for today already. So if I show you here, you could see balance 1120, and there are no running trades. So if I go to exposure, then come here, no running trades, because I already have taken the profit of $37 for today on a $1,000 account, okay? And on a small account of $100, I have taken the profit of 3.18, right? So we'll explain to you what I'm talking about right now. But anyways, this is gonna make you real money. So if you are new to the channel, we have started this Forex series in which you will be learning how to make money on autopilot, okay? I was recording my training videos for my syndicate program, and I was busy doing that, and while I was working on something else, this software made me some money, okay? So yeah, to prove you see 103.18 here. You will also see the same amount somewhere here. So if I log in into my Forex account, okay? Alright, so yeah, I have a lot to talk, but I will try to only wind up this video shortly, because it's only like a case study. I might record a video tomorrow as well, depending how much I made on Tuesday. So you can see I started with $100 and I made 3.18 profit without even knowing what I'm doing, okay? So if you want to set up the whole system, if you want to go through everything, I will go and leave the links below my YouTube video. So go below my YouTube video and click on these links, okay? The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. This is what you need, okay? This is really literally what you need in case you're dreaming about making money on autopilot. I am going to fulfill your dream if you really trust me. If you don't trust me, that's your problem, dude, okay? If you don't trust me, then you have to do your homework. Go on my channel TubeCore, go and watch my 10, 20, 50 videos, okay? I have more than 1,000 videos on my channel. Take your own time, watch my 5 videos, 10 videos, come back to me after 2 days, 10 days, okay? Once you have established your trust. If you don't trust me, that's not my problem. It's your problem, dude, okay? And babes. So trust me as possibly as you can, and it's your homework, it's your research. How would you trust me? Again, you go to my channel. Everything you need to know about me is something you will find in my videos, okay? Anyways, so if you want to do exactly what I'm doing, which no other YouTuber will tell you, by the way, other YouTubers will never tell you the exact software which they use to do trading, okay? They will not tell you exactly what works for them. They will not tell you exactly which settings to choose, because they want you to just maybe buy some manual Forex courses, okay? Here I am not selling you anything manually. I am not here to make you any expert, okay? With this, I remember that I have to give you the disclaimer. The disclaimer should be right here somewhere. Let me open that. I'm new to this. Where is disclaimer? This one, right? Yeah. So this video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am no financial consultant. My advice should not be considered or taken as a legal advice, okay? Rest is the disclaimer on your screen, and disclaimer means nothing, by the way. Anyway, so if you go below my video, the first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. This is your dream. This is your dream method to make money. I can't stop myself from smiling. So check out this thingy, the first link. And if you want to make money on YouTube, you want to start a channel like me, you want to get it monetized, then you can go and check out Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube, and it will help you to make money with affiliate marketing. It will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and get your YouTube channel monetized maximum within 30 days, okay? So if you are passionate about YouTube, you want to do something on YouTube, check out Traffic Jarvis, okay? So we'll talk about all these things maybe in the end. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute to the channel, click on the super thanks button. Okay, subscribe, like is free, do that. We'll get back to the links in a moment. So in this video, I wanted to share the quick results with you. I will not talk about what is Forex industry, what this is not. For that, you can go to my playlist, Forexing, and go and watch my videos related to Forex series. Okay, so in this video, I will only show my results for today, and those results are quite obvious. So if I come here, let me maximize this. Right, so I have a demo account for now. Demo account is this one. Okay, this one is a $1,000 account. Right now, I will show you the results of today. So if we go to account history, in account history, we will right click and we will go to custom period. In custom period, we'll select today only and press OK. And you can see here how much money we have made today. Right, so we have made 37.86 profit. Okay, it is not in minus, that means this is profit, so it's almost $38. So on a $1,000 account, so let's say you deposit $1,000 into your brokerage account, you're making almost 40 bucks per day. Got it? So we made just today on Monday, our software made $38 on a $1,000 account, and we are done for the day. So if we would have $5,000 account into this brokerage account, then it would have made us how much? 5 times more than what we made. So it would have made us $200 just now in just one day if we were trading with a $5,000 account. Okay, so this proves my point that this works. And again, go back to trades here. Now trades are not open. Now trades will open tomorrow because I guess we are done for the day. The market is closed. Okay, and let me show you the real account. So if I you see here, this is only a small account for $100, but this is a real account. So we go back to history here. Come on. Come on. Sometimes it hangs because this is working on my you see here it's not responding because it's working on my VPS. Okay, so double click, then we go to history, right click, and then we go to custom period, then we go to today only, and okay, and you will see that if I scroll down, you will see profit and loss for today is 3.18. Okay, so on a $100 account, we made 3 bucks for nothing, right? So we have to scale this up. You have to think how much money you can afford to leave in your brokerage account. You do not have to spend the money. Okay, for example, you leave your $10,000 into your savings account in your bank. Okay, but your bank does not give you this much interest. So for example, if you leave $100 in your savings bank account, do you think your bank will pay you $3 per day? Do you think your bank will pay you like 20 bucks for 5 days if you keep $100 in your bank account? No, your bank is never going to pay $3 on $100 just for keeping it in the bank account. But if you keep the same amount, if you keep the same 100 bucks into your brokerage account, then you can make 3 to 4 bucks per day. And we scale this up. If you keep $500 into your brokerage account, you could make 20 bucks per day, maybe 25 bucks per day. Okay, if you keep $1,000 into your account, I have shown you can make 38 bucks or 40 bucks per day. Have you seen that or not? Let me show you again. Where were we? You see here, so 11:20 before today, the balance was 1082. Okay, so before we made some money today, the balance was 1082. Now it is 1120. That means today we made 38 bucks. Okay, so the more capital you have, the more profits you will make, and everything is covered inside my training program called the Syndicate. What you need to do is go below my YouTube video, click on the first link, make money on autopilot. Check out this link here, open it in a new tab, come to this page, enter your email and the name, click on yes, I want to unlock Syndicate, check your inbox, your email, click on the verification link, then watch the instructions on the email. If you cannot follow the instructions, then you will not make nothing with this. Okay, So this is going to help you to make money as long America and Europe survives, until as they are in this world, until USD and the euro and GBP, all these currencies are in the market, you will make money with this method. Okay, and what I am trying to say here is that you will make money with this for lifetime. That is all I'm trying to say. Okay, so what else? Subscribe, like. Again, I will not explain much. This video was only to share the results. Tomorrow, probably, if I will have time, then I will share the results for Tuesday. This video sharing the results for today on Monday, which is 5th of, I guess, December 2022. Tomorrow, if I find time, then I will share the results for Tuesday. Okay, and I will try to do this on daily basis. So this is Forex Trading for Beginners. You do not need to know anything about Forex trading. All the things will be done by the software only. Software will be placing these trades. Software will be making you profits. Okay, you need to know nothing about Forex trading. Whatever you need to know to set up all this will be told or will be taught to you inside the training program called the Syndicate. Okay, so click on the first link below and try Forex trading. It's on autopilot. Literally, it's on autopilot. Okay, I have been making my other YouTube videos while this software made me some money. Okay, so it's only the matter of how much you can invest, right? If your money is only getting wasted sitting in your savings account, you're not making much interest there. Your bank might be paying you 2-3% per annum per year. Okay, that's garbage. That's bullshit. Okay, let your money work for you and let it give you profits, right? How would you do that? Go and check out this Forex Trading Syndicate. Okay. And if you want to make money on YouTube, go and try Traffic Jarvis. If you don't know how to make money with affiliate marketing, click on the second link and then go through the process and check everything. I guess thank you for watching the video, guys. And again, you can watch my Forex series on my YouTube channel. Go and check out all my videos. And in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, do all that, and try this Syndicate. It's awesome. Thank you. We'll see you shortly.